new products, new trend, new techniques. A good hairdresser never stop learning. We research, go for upgrade classes, and then even teach people. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be discussing something with you that people don't say enough. Hairdressers are underrated. If you have ever sat in a salon chair and left feeling like a brand new person, then they should know we do just more than hair. Hairdressers are literally artists. Our medium isn't paint or canvas, it's hair. Every braid, cut, color, style is a creative process. We visualize, we design and create. Clients bring inspiration photos, but it's our hands that make it comes alive. You see, people think being a hairdresser is easy. They think it just come in, braid, weave, cut, style, and then go. But the truth is, the profession requires skill, talent, creativity, patience, and a whole lot of art. We are therapists. Let's be real. Salon should sometimes be called a therapy section. Like clients come in with lives on their shoulders, and while we style their hair, they start to open up, they talk, they confess. Somehow they leave feeling lighter. Not only do we transform their hair, but we also lift their spirits. They are business owners. Behind that hairstyle is a business management, buying products, booking clients, marketing, content creation, money management, customer services. Most hairdressers don't just do hair, they also run a full business. We are educators and learners. The industry changes constantly. New products, new trend, new techniques. A good hairdresser never stop learning. We research, go for upgrade classes, and then even teach people learning under us. Boost confidence. Style. One beautiful hairstyle can change a person's whole mood. A client can walk in feeling low and then walk out feeling confident, bold, and unstoppable. For me, being a hairdresser is more than just a job. It's a gift. It's a calling. I have taught people and I'm still teaching people. I have seen how the right hairstyle can bring someone back to life, and yet many people still underestimate the profession. To every hairdresser out there, keep your head high. Your works matters, your talent matters, your creativity matters. You are seen, you are appreciated, and you are not just a hairdresser, you are an artist, a healer, and a confidence builder. I agree that hairdressers are underrated. Give this video a thumbs up, comment, respect the skill, and share this video to support your favorite hairstylist. Don't forget to subscribe for more hair tips, inspiration, and more hair talks. I will see you in my next one. Bye.